The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Right to freedom of religion. Article 28. Freedom is to attendance at religious instruction, or religious worship, in certain educational institutions. 1. No religious instruction shall be provided in any educational institution, wholly maintained out of state funds. 2. Nothing in Clause 1 shall apply to an educational institution which is administered by the state, but has been established under any endowment or trust, which requires that religious instruction shall be imparted in such institution. 3. No person attending any educational institution recognized by the state, or receiving aid out of state funds, shall be required to take part in any religious instruction that may be imparted in such institution, or to attend any religious worship that may be conducted in such institution or in any premises attached thereto, unless such person, or, if such person is a minor, his guardian has given his consent thereto.